Hi guys, it's Lart here. I thought it's time to talk about my plans for the shop today. First, I'd like to show you my new table saw. It's already assembled and pretty much ready to go. Like the fence, very nice and smooth. You want to see it running? Let's do it then. Okay, I'm planning to make a review on that table saw, but first I'd like to use it for a while, get some experience with it, and then do the review later on. Now I'd like to explain a couple of things about the shop. So you saw me building the walls and ceilings. They are completely ready now. I have finished, well, except the trimming. As you can see, I have gaps around the edges, so I'm gonna do some trimming later on, but I've got 2 coats of white paint applied on the surface everywhere, so that's sorted. On the layout, the table saw will be in the focus of the workshop. The way I want to position it is the blade has to be in central to the room, so I will have equally as much in-feed distance as out-feed to maximize the capacity of the saw, basically. I've got the PowerPoint sorted out pretty much. This is an original. That was the only PowerPoint I had in the workshop, and I extended it all around the walls, as you can see. So I've got 6 new power sockets in total, 7 in total. That's the bench I built in the last weekend actually, but I'm going to extend this. This is not ready yet, nowhere near to be ready. That wall side will be dedicated for bench mounted tools, so that gap here will be filled with the same structure, basically. That will be the complete wall will be a workbench finally. So for bench mounted tools only on that side, sanding station, all that kind of stuff will be here. You can see that section above the wall, which hasn't been finished yet. The reason for that, because I'm going to build a window. I just have to make the window first. I've got the glass. The small glass will be for the door, which also requires a lot of work yet. The bigger glass, I'm going to make a frame for it and then install it right there. So that will be probably my only single window on the workshop, except the small one in the door. The other side, which you can see right now, is just offcuts and sheet goods, leftovers. On that wall I will have my mitre station and the lumber rack underneath, and probably above as well. I'm not sure when. If I have time, I'll probably make a start on it today. I don't think I can finish it. I have no lighting yet. That is the only light fitting up there, which doesn't work. I bought new light fittings, 4 of them, so that's also need to be addressed, hopefully today. Currently this is my lighting, some side reflectors which I'm using from the PowerPoints, but if all goes well, I'm gonna have some lighting tonight. Bandsaw, probably that wall will be kept empty, and I'm going to have my bandsaw and the jointer thickness there on that wall, or just the bandsaw on that wall and the jointer on this one. I'll decide, I'm not sure about that. The last thing I want to talk about is the dust collection system. I have only a single shop vac in a moment, which is not a lot. I need to make some sort of dust collection. Have some plans. Probably I will build my own dust collection, but we'll see. That should be a subject to another video. I think that's it really. I can't remember anything else right now. These are the main plans, and you know, the small details as I start moving in and do some bits and bobs. I might move things around to make it more convenient. Nothing is finalized just yet, so I'm flexible. Even if you have any suggestions for the shop, I'm looking forward to it, looking forward to hear it or read it. Yeah, that's it really, and now I'm just gonna crack on with some work and put the camera down in the corner.